Hello, it is Python X, and welcome to another video. We are going to be diving into the world of Discord bots today. So I've got my Discord open. This is where this is the channel in which we're gonna be testing our bot, but we haven't created it yet, so I'm gonna show you guys the step-by-step process on how to actually create your bot, invite it to the server, and actually get started with programming it. So we're on Google here. You need to type something called Discord Developer Portal. Now this is pretty much where all of your Discord bots will be. Well, not just Discord bots, they can be anything with the applications. So let's go ahead and click over here, new application, and then just give it a name. I'm going to call it SusBot because it's simple. Tick this box and then go ahead and create it. So now your SusBot is created. So now your bot is created. You can name it anything. You can give it a description here. You can give it a profile picture if you want. For this, because this is a tutorial bot, I'm not going to give it a profile picture. Over here, slightly, you guys can see all the all the authentication objects, all of the bot stuff here. These are going to be these two here are going to be the most important ones here. I think the next thing we can do is so we first of all need to do this first. So click OAuth2 and then click URL generator. So this is where you can generate the URL to invite your bot to a certain Discord server. So since it's the Discord bot, we're going to click bot down here and then give it a couple of permissions. So we'll change these as we go on. You can change them now and again. You can change them over time. So for now, I think we'll just make it into just a regular chat bot, really. Well, not a chat bot, but just a regular bot that can't really do anything. It can read messages, it can add reactions, it can send a message. That's the most important one. Mention people, external emojis. I think that's about it. So as you can see, it's already generated a URL down here. Let's go ahead and copy it, and then click it in a new tab. Now this is the part where you can invite it to your server. Skipping this part because it's fairly easy to follow, but it's there anyway in case you need it. There we go, coolio. So if we check now, yep, our bot has been added to the server. Now that we've invited the bot, now that we've invited the bot, we need to get this thing called a token. Now this is usually used to actually program the bots. First thing we need to do before we generate this token is to head to a website called Replit. It's completely free. You can sign up. It's completely free. And then so here's all the Replits, which are just pretty much your projects, really. So if you come down to the home page, you can see create Replit. Click Python, as we're doing, and then name it whatever you want. So in this case, I'm just going to call it SusBot Programming. Click create the Replit, and here is your workspace. Let me just quickly go over. So this is where your main code goes, your console. Here's your cell for imports and modules and stuff. I'll talk about those in a moment. Over here, your files, and then a couple of tools down here, which I usually barely use. So we've created this. Allow me to go retrieve some skeleton code and to work so we can kind of get started with our bots in the next video. Give me a moment, please. Okay, so as you can see, we've now got a bit of skeleton code. So this up here just imports Discord and also commands. The intents are pretty much like what you can pass to the bot to allow it to do stuff. So message content needs to be true so the bot can actually read what the user says. This here actually creates the bot itself using the commands up here. And then of course down here you can put all your commands and stuff. And then here is the important part. So where's this bot token? We're going to replace that with our bot token. Now for privacy reasons, I'm not allowed to show you my own bot token. But I'll run you through the process of how you can get that token, and I'll make sure to blur out the token when I do see it. So if we head back to the home page, here we are. we can click on bot now. So bring your app to life by adding a bot user. This action is irreversible because robots are too cool to destroy. Makes sense. So here you can write, security purposes, tokens can only be viewed once. If you forgot or lost access to your token, please regenerate a new one. So when it comes to tokens, if somebody gets a hold of your token, then they're able to hack your bot and make it do whatever they want it to do. So always keep your token secure and private, okay? So you want to click this button here, and then when the token comes up, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy it over and paste it in my Replit, which is in here. So I think, just click reset. Your bot stopped working. You click yes, do it. Now so the token is generated. I've blurred it out, so it shouldn't be viewed. Head back to here, and then pop it.
Pause. Right, so I actually figured out a way halfway through this video about how to actually paste your bot token, but paste it in a secret way so that nobody can actually see it. I had to I only found this out because I was too lazy to actually put like a massive box next to the token. So here we go. Here is the secrets tab that I found on Replit.
In the tools bar, you can click secrets. And you create your own secret. So we can call this the token, and then the value. Okay, you can't see that. So if I quickly just copy and paste my token. Okay, I've done that. Now we click add secret. So here is the token now. And then to actually access the token.
Skipping this again because code usually doesn't require an explanation, and you can just copy it. Yay.
And then we can write bot.run my secret, and then it will take the code. It will take my token as one of the secrets, and it will run it. So that's a really good thing you could do, which is awesome. One more thing as well. You can see that Discord says Discord cannot be resolved. Just head on over to the shell and type pip install Discord. Let that run. I'm not going to bore you. Okay, so all the imports are done. Our Discord is ready to be programmed. So in the next video, I will teach you about creating a basic command.